These are some of the Weihrauch HW45 pistols we have available at Derwent Air Rifles in Cockermouth, or derwentairrifles.co.uk. They're spring power pistols. There's three versions. This is the classic with a nice straight handle, wooden grip. The Black Star, which has obviously got black metal work with the grey laminated handle, and the Silver Star, again with the laminated handle but with the sort of rough silver finish. They're all basically the same. Ambidextrous, available in 177 and 22. This is a 22. We've got adjustable triggers. To put the pellet in, you have to pull back the hammer, pull that right round. I won't pull it right round. The pellet then into the barrel from that end, close it, and then shoot it off. So this is the classic. Got open sights with the optic fibres, the rear sights adjustable for elevation and windage. The Black Star with the laminated handle. They're all official all cartridge pistols, these. Silver Star. Again with the same open sights, adjustable trigger. They've got a bit of oomph, these. They are usually just under 6 foot-pounds. Bit of a kick with them. But the nice pistols, nice to hold, they're a nice good weight. And like I say, available at Derwent Air Rifles in Cockermouth or derwentairrifles.co.uk.